In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create green screen assets with Midjourney. By the end, you'll know how to generate clean, isolated objects on a bright green background so you can key them out effortlessly in your photo or video editor. First, go to Midjourney. Open it in your browser or the interface you normally use and get to the place where you create images. Make sure you're ready to start a new generation so we can set things up for a clean green screen result. Next, type the /imagine prompt. This is where the magic happens. The prompt box is where you'll define what you want, and just as importantly, how you want the background to look. Keep your request clear and direct to help Midjourney deliver exactly what you need. Now describe your object, be specific about the subject, the angle, and the style, and include instructions for a chroma-friendly background. Phrases like on a solid bright green background, evenly lit, no shadows, no gradients, centered, and isolated are your friends here. You can also guide the look with terms like studio lighting, product shot, or high detail. If aspect ratio matters for your project, include it in your prompt so the image fits your timeline or canvas without extra cropping. For example, a concise prompt might be a detailed product style shot of a vintage camera on a solid chroma green background, centered, studio lighting, no text, no shadows. Generate a few variations so you can pick the cleanest one. If the background is messy, use the Midjourney web editor to fix it. Open the image there and refine the background until it's a single, uniform green. Your goal is a flat, consistent color with crisp edges around the subject. Remove stray reflections and soften harsh shadows that might confuse a keyer. Aim for a clear separation between subject and background and avoid any gradients that could make keying harder. Save the final image to your computer. Choose the highest resolution available to preserve edges and details during keying. PNG or high-quality JPG both work well. Keep your file names organized so you can quickly find and reuse your assets later. Finally, take your downloaded image into your photo editing or video software to key it out. Apply a chroma key or keyer effect, use the eyedropper to select the green, and adjust tolerance, edge softness, and spill suppression until the edges look natural. Once the green disappears cleanly, place your object over any background and you're done. That's the complete workflow for creating green screen assets with Midjourney.